Hey y'all, it's already darker outside, and it means I've been outside all day. But as promised, I'm going to give you some Bronco episodes. So here we go. I guess you could say day one. Let's see what my shipment of parts has already come in. So I'm going to start tearing down some of the things that are in the way. As you can tell, I already got the the air from the airbox there. I already got that removed to the throttle body. Anyway, just starting to do some of that stuff, so I'm making take a couple pictures to make sure that I can remember where everything goes as it came off. I've got a manual or two, but I like to kind of remember and look back after I'm done and say, how do these pictures compare? It's a good tip. It'll actually help you out. Take a photo before and then compare when you're done. See if you put everything back before you go putting it all back together and trying to crank it up, because if you leave something off and try to crank it up, you might hurt something. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so I got the throttle body off. I'll throw some pictures up of it. It's kind of sitting over here to the side. I'm going to clean that out real good. I cleaned it all out real good, and I'm about to get the plenum off. Once the plenum comes off, I'm just going to make sure I've got all my new gaskets and things ordered, or I'll go to a local parts house and get them. But it's coming along. It's just a slow process. What can you do? It's not as dramatic without watching me pull that off of there. But yeah, the plenum is off. Throttle body, of course, is sitting over here to the side. I'm going to clean it all up. Plenum's over here. That gasket peeled off a little bit there on that end. I'm going to razor blade it all, and I'm going to get this varnish out of here. That's nasty. But get it all cleaned up. I'm probably going to paint that. What color should I paint it? I might paint that. Remember, I'm going to be doing these valve cover gaskets as well. I'm going to paint those too. All right, a really, really good tip for you before you get in there and start scraping out that gasket and get to those valve covers and degunk those and do all that good stuff. Put your piece of cardboard there over your intake, where the manifold, the upper intake manifold goes into the main intake manifold that is there actually on the block. You just don't want any crud getting down in there or something falling in there. And then what you got to do is plug up. There'll be little holes in there. You saw it a minute ago. There's a hole for each one of the windpipes, you could say. The openings, the orifices. Anyway, you want to You want to plug those with something internally, because when you go to scrape off that, when you go to scrape off that gasket, you've got like a little razor blade and you're scraping it off. You don't want a bunch of junk to go down in there. If you do, of course, you can get your shop vac, suck it all out anyway. You want to make sure and do that anyhow, just to make sure that you don't drop something important down the windpipe. Yeah, my wife said my hair was cute. I don't know. Is that cute? It's curly because it's longer than usual.
Oh.
Yeah, you can hear the radio in the background, Michael Berry show. But hey, I'm getting there. I'm about to order up my, make sure my gaskets and all that good stuff are coming. Maybe they'll have them ready and my wife can pick them up today. But I won't really put everything back again probably till Monday. It is Friday evening right now. I might do some other stuff on the Bronco though while we're in the middle of doing all this. Anyway, we're moving right along, as the Muppets say. Moving right along. I got the plenum soaking right now in some of that, what's it called? Gunk brand engine degreaser. Took the razor blade, cut off all the old gasket and all that good stuff. Going to soak this down, brush it clean after it gets good and dry. I will re-primer it and I'm going to repaint it silver with some Ford blue highlights. That's all that happened today. You can see I got a little bit of sun. A little bit of sun. Didn't show as much. And I ate some dinner, and thanks to my lovely wife preparing it for me. Anyway, I'm going to do probably episode 2 pretty soon. It'll be day number 2 in the Bronco episodes. We'll see y'all when we see you. Hey, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure, especially if you have a Bronco enthusiast friend or just somebody who wants to see something different for a change, send them our way, all right? Love y'all. See you later.